Welcome to the future of smartphones. Today we're diving into the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and its revolutionary integration of ChatGPT. Imagine having an AI that not only answers your questions, but also acts as your personal assistant, creative partner, and problem solver, all right on your phone. Sounds exciting? Let's explore how ChatGPT makes the S24 Ultra the smartest smartphone ever. Part 1. What is ChatGPT in the S24 Ultra? ChatGPT is one of the most advanced AI technologies in the world, developed by OpenAI. In the S24 Ultra, ChatGPT is seamlessly integrated into the operating system. This means you can use the AI to write texts, brainstorm ideas, answer questions, and even solve complex tasks, all in real time, without needing additional apps. For example, a user asks ChatGPT for a recipe, and the AI instantly provides a step-by-step guide. The S24 Ultra makes ChatGPT your constant companion, always ready, always helpful. Part 2. ChatGPT as your personal assistant. Imagine planning a trip. Instead of spending hours searching for flights, hotels, and activities, you simply ask ChatGPT. The AI scours the internet, compares prices, and creates a detailed travel itinerary, all in seconds. And the best part? You can control ChatGPT with voice commands, just like a traditional voice assistant, but far more powerful. For example, a user says, ChatGPT, book me a hotel in Berlin for next week, and the AI confirms the booking. With ChatGPT in the S24 Ultra, your smartphone becomes the ultimate assistant, faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever. Part 3. Creativity at your fingertips. Whether you need a professional email, a poem for a special occasion, or inspiration for your next project, ChatGPT in the S24 Ultra has you covered. The AI can generate texts in various styles, from formal to creative, and adapts to your needs. For example, a user asks ChatGPT to write a job application, and the AI delivers a perfectly crafted text. With ChatGPT, your S24 Ultra becomes a hub of creativity, whether you need help professionally or personally. Part 4. Learning and knowledge in real time. ChatGPT isn't just an assistant, it's also a teacher. You can ask the AI how to learn a new language, solve math problems, or even explain philosophical concepts. The S24 Ultra makes knowledge accessible, anytime, anywhere. For example, a student asks ChatGPT about the theory of relativity, and the AI explains it in simple terms. With ChatGPT in the S24 Ultra, your smartphone becomes a portable encyclopedia, perfect for the curious and knowledge-hungry. Part 5. Privacy and security. Of course, using AI also raises questions about privacy. Samsung has ensured that ChatGPT in the S24 Ultra operates securely and in compliance with data protection regulations. Your data remains protected, and you have control over what you share with the AI. For example, a user activates privacy settings on the S24 Ultra. With the S24 Ultra, you can enjoy the benefits of ChatGPT without compromising your privacy. Part 6. The future of smartphone AI. The integration of ChatGPT in the S24 Ultra is just the beginning. In the future, AI technologies like this will become even more integrated into our lives, whether in smartphones, at home, or on the go. The S24 Ultra gives us a glimpse of this future. For example, a user interacts with ChatGPT while walking through a futuristic city. With the S24 Ultra and ChatGPT, you're ready for the next generation of technology. Oh, true. Summary and call to action. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra with ChatGPT is more than a smartphone. It's your intelligent companion for everyday life. Whether as an assistant, creative partner, or knowledge source, ChatGPT makes the S24 Ultra the most powerful device on the market. What do you think about this technology? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time in the future of technology.